Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We'll begin with the webinar session now. It's 5:10 p.m. already. So very warm welcome to all of you. And I'm your host for the day, Neha Nandwani. And let me start by saying I'm very delighted to have you all today here with us. And I want to take this opportunity to introduce you all to Bigul, which is the fintech division of Bonanza Portfolio Limited, and this was previously known as My E-Trade. And Bigul is a trading and investment platform built for those who wish to pursue success. Now, I would like to introduce you all to our guest speaker, Mr. Malav Vora. So, can you please start your video so that our attendees can see? So I would now like to introduce you all to our guest speaker, Mr. Malavora. Mr. Malavora is an MBA graduate with NCFM certification and industry experience of over 9 years. He also has expertise in the fields of Algo, API, and dealing terminal. Welcome, Mr. Malav, and we are so glad you could be with here today to share your insights on algo trading. Also, dear attendees, if you have any questions or clarifications about the topic of algo trading or anything in general related to trading, please type them in the chat box below. Mr. Malav will get back to you on the same after he finishes with his presentation. And you can also reach out to Bigul via Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And once you leave today's webinar, we will be sending out a survey form based on the presentation, and we would like you all to please fill out the form and provide your feedback on the same. Mr. Malav, could you please begin the session?
Yeah, sure. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for the introduction. Thank you everyone for attending the webinar for the Bigul, and I think we have a good participant today. So today, what I'm going to basically do is I'm just going to basically take you through all the different products. Algo products what Bigul is basically going to provide to you. So largely, we are going to focus on more on the strategies, algo different type of algo strategies, what we can offer you today, and how can that be beneficial to basically to automate your regular trading, what we're doing in normal trading. If you want to automate. So most of the people think that algo trading is very risky. Some people say that it is very difficult, that it is not that easy. You need to do some kind of trading.
Malav sir, so your voice is cracking and it's not clear, and your voice is also very low.
My voice is very low. Okay,
yeah.
Okay. Just a moment. Let me speak the volume. I think it's 100%, but still I will just try to see. Okay. Hello. Is it better or still the same? Anything? I'm able to. Is everybody able to hear me now?
Yes, sir. Much clear.
Okay. So yeah, fine. So just start with again. So today we are going to present on basically on the algos. So what different type of algos we can basically run on the Bigul platform. And many people say that algo is difficult to basically to understand, or it is very simple. I can tell you very simple. Anything what you're basically thinking to basically automate, so that is algo. Nothing much more than that. And people say that algo ke liye to course karna padta hai. You have to basically have to be expert on that. So I don't think so. Those things are right. So today we are going to discuss on certain strategies which are which are going to be how beneficial to the traders who want to basically do some kind of active trading in the algos. So you can see my slide. Are you able to see the slides what I've shared right now? Hello.
Yes, so we're able to see this screen that says Blitz Trader.
Yeah. Okay. It's a Blitz Trader screen. Okay, just a minute. So I will share the presentation now. Okay. So you should be able to see the presentation screen now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now you can see that this is the Algo platform. What I'm basically going to present it to you. So you can see this is our main. This is our OMS and RMS. So what happens, like whatever the trades you're basically placing from various different kind of products. So you might be placing it from mobile, or you can be placing it from web, or you are placing it from any algo platform. So everything comes to the OMS and RMS, and it goes to the exchange. So this is a simple understanding of how the basically trades are been coming to Bugul, and then it is going to the exchange. So you can see that in grown market, if you see the international markets, what is happening? So people are basically not doing the regular standard trading. They have shifted to algos. Yeah, so there are various different kind of algo strategies. You can basically work around. Currently in India, we can see only there is 15% of those of traders are basically there. In US, it is 80%. So you can see the very different. There is a huge amount of market right now, which is there. You can explore it out, and you can really make a good amount of profit with the help of making a right algos. Taking a right decision on algos. Uh, Now to come with what exactly algo is. So I will be able to show you different strategies which are available with us, right? So there are few strategies which are very easily basically understandable, and even you can start using from very next day, right? So some of the strategies names are, which is like multi-leg strategy. Then another is trend trader. Then we have AMI broker automation, scalping, candle breakout, all executor, option 2 leg. So these are various different strategies which we are going to explore today. So first strategy which I'm going to show you today, which is multi-leg execution. Multi-leg execution is basically largely a algo-based trading solution.
Excuse
I mean,
me.
hello.
I'm sorry to cut you. Actually, the attendees are not able to view the screen clearly. Could you please enlarge your presentation? If you could start slideshow.
I think the slideshow is on. I think you are not able to see it.
No, it's really small. If you could enlarge it.
Just a minute. I think I will just do one thing. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So now you're able to see the multi-leg screen. Now I'm just
On the right bottom corner, you can enlarge your presentation. It has an option.
Okay. Let's see. Is it visible now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a multi-leg execution. Any which was don't worry. I will do. Any which was going to show you the live product as well. So even if you're not able to see it, I will show you the live product. Any which was I'm going to show you. So one is the multi-leg strategy. So this is something who are going to be trading in the options. So largely those who are options trader, right? So those who are doing any kind of strategies like strangle, butterfly. So all this kind of strategies can be done with the help of this multi-leg execution option. We have a master scalping. So scalping is also one of a strategy, right? So what actually it does is it buys at every lower level and it sells at every higher levels, right? And similarly, it does the reverse thing as well. It sells at higher levels and it even buys at a lower level, right? So this is a logic of a scalping. Then one more strategy, which is trend trader, right? So this is also a very good strategy when you are basically doing any kind of trending market flow, like if the market is or a stock, a particular stock is trending and unidirectional. If it's trading on a positive side or a negative side, this strategy can be useful, right? There is one more strategy which is very much famous, which is candle breakout. So it is very simple. When you see a candle, right, and when you there is only two options for a candle, right? When the candle is formed, there is always a next candle formed after the first candle has been done. So whenever there is a next candle, the formation is happening. it takes a decision based on the next candle, how it's going to be formed, right? So I will explain you each and every strategy in detail, right, in live. I'm just giving you the basically overview of the strategy. Another strategy is which is like order slicer, so an order slicer plus. So it is very simple. Like if you want to put a bulk amount of trade, but you just want to slice the quantity, right? So in Nifty, somebody wants to put a huge amount of order in Nifty, like 50,000 Nifty or 25,000 Nifty in one go. So somebody wants to slice those Nifty, the quantity, then that can be done with the help of order slicer, right? So this is this explanation of the strategies I'm just giving you right now. So now we will go to the live option. I mean, we'll go to the live trading terminal. So I will show you the strategies over there, right? So I'm sharing you the live screen, the login screen of the place Algo Trader. So this is a login screen. Here you have to put the ID and then you have to put the password over here, right? You have to just click on the login. So it is the same like your any trading terminal what you're using at your place. So once you log in, you can see that the whole okay. Are you wait, just a minute? The screen has closed. Just a moment. So you are able to see the screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. So yeah, see, this is the basically the screen of the trading platform, right? So here you have the touch line, so you can do your normal trades like normally whatever you are doing, like buying and selling of a script. You can even place a normal trade from this platform. So that is very much possible, right? And here you can, on the left hand side, you can see there are various different strategies which I have already configured into my system, right? So today what we will do, we'll start with one strategy, right? So which is largely been used by market participants, so and that's been in great demand. So which is like a multi-leg strategy. So you have to just click on the multi-leg X1. So once you click on the strategy, a blank screen will get open, right? A blank screen will get open. Now what you can do right now over here is like there are so many different options over here. You can see that plus, cross, play, stop. So these are different shortcuts which are available, right? So what you can do is you just click on the plus screen. Once you click on the plus screen, it will open a screen like basically this is an input parameter screen, right? So what it does is it basically asks what are the inputs you want to give to strategy. Now suppose so now we'll start with a very simple strategy which is long stagger. So when you're doing a long stagger, so what you can do is you have to select on what basically instrument. Like if you want to do on NSE FO, so you have to select NSE FO. Then you have to select another thing is which is on which segment you want to basically do it. So you have to do an options. Then you have to basically select the symbol. So you want to do it on a Nifty. So you have to select the Nifty. Then you have to basically select the strike price. So you want to do for 30th June. Say you want to buy a call and you want to buy in the money call. So you have to just type 16200. So 16200, you are just buying the in the money call. You are just buying it, right? Also, you want to do we want to add one more leg, which is again Nifty. So what you are doing is again you are taking the same strike price, and here you are going to take a put, right? So this strategy is basically going to help you when the market is undecided. You do not know it is going to be bullish or bearish, right? So you want to be very sure. I mean very safe. कि भाई तेजी भी हो तो ठीक है, मंदी भी हो भी ठीक है. I should be having both the legs with me. So I'm just putting 16,200. Again, I'm putting the put over here. Again, I'm buying the put as well, right? What it will do is I'm clicking on the get value. So once I click on the get value, it will show me the combined value of both the options, right? In normal trading, what happens? You have to buy first. You have to buy a June call. Again you have to buy a second put of that particular June, right? You also didn't know what is the combined value of both the options. So here you will get a combined value. दोनों का value आ रहा है 574, right? So if you click on the get value, it will keep on refreshing the value, right? So now what you can do is, suppose you are starting at 9 o'clock in 9:15 in the morning. and also you want to square off this strategy by 9:15 or 9:45 or 9:30. So you can just put up the end time over here, right? So at 9:15, the strategy will automatically get stopped. You can even put for 1 hour as well. It is not like a compulsory that you have to put for the whole day. You can put up the end time and start time as per your, request. So currently it is already, I think it is almost 5:30. So I will put the timing accordingly. So I will put around 20 right now, right? So timing is important. So you want to put even a normal order. So normal order, it will carry forward for the next day. The strategy will, if you go in MIS, so it will do only for today itself. So I'm just doing a normal strategy. I'm taking on the normal order right now only, right? So you have to just put your client ID automatically come over here. So you can see the value is 573 right now, right? So you have to just put at what price you want to buy. If you want to buy the current market price, you can just directly put at 574, 575. I'm just putting it at the right current price, whatever the price is right now. You can even put the target price. So whenever the price reaches 600. So when the combined price, right, not only the one leg, both the leg, whatever the price it may be, when the combined price reaches at 600, dono ka, so it will automatically do the exit. And by chance, if you want to put a stop loss, so you can put a stop loss at 500 rupees as well, right? Now there is one more option. You want to re-entry, right? Again, re-entry is like, again, if the price is coming back to 575, once it hits 600, and again if the price come back at 575, do you want to take a re-entry, yes or no? So you can say yes or no over here. If you say yes, automatically the strategy will start again. It will go in the loop. Currently we will put everything as false, and you just put load it. So once you load it, the instance is now ready to basically execute. So here it is red right now. So you have to just put a play button over here. There's a play button over here. Start. Right. So once you put the play button, you can see automatically the filled option has came over here. You can see both the order has been executed over here. दोनों order आपके यहाँ पे आ गए. Right. And here you can see the combined value right now. You can see right now it is 572, 571.70 paisa. It keeps on moving. It keeps on changing. Right. So what happens, you can also keep on monitoring right now what's the current price going on, right? Also, if you want to do any kind of changes, you can even do the change parameter. You can even change your profit level. On also stop loss level, you can do it. You can change it, right? So that thing you can do it. You can even also monitor your currently strategy. You can monitor the strategy over here. You can monitor M2M. Currently, what is the M2M right now for that particular strategy, like plus or minus. So that also you can see it over here, right? So this is a very simple way to basically do a option trading with the help of this Bigul platform. So the same way you can not only do one leg. If you just click on plus again, I will click on plus again. You can go for one more instance. You can also do 3, 4, 5, 6 multiple instances at a point of a time, right? So currently it is only 2 leg. Even you can go for 4 leg, right? So similarly, you can even put butterfly. So butterfly, you can even have more than 2 legs. So you can put four different legs over here. So आप straggle के साथ में आप दो अगर legs add करना चाहते हैं, then also you can put it over here, right? So this is very simple way to basically do a multi-leg execution strategy over here, right? So this is the first part I've just explained for the multi-leg right now. So definitely there might be a question, but what I can do is I can just request you to just put the questions with you right now, and at the end we will basically take all the questions. So what will happen? It will not disturb the flow, right? So now we'll go to one more strategy, right? So which is we'll go for a scalping. So what the scalping exactly does it, and how you can basically use in your regular trades, right? So I will show you the logic of scalping, how it does it. So I will share my screen. I will just share one more PPT, right? So share. Okay. So okay.
So please click on F5.
Just a moment. Yeah. Is it good? I mean, are you able to see it properly? I've clicked F5. Huh? Okay, fine. So scalping. What exactly the scalping does is like very simple. I mean, I'm just, if you see the chart itself, it is very easy to understand. So what it does is like suppose there is a script which is like SBI. So SBI is currently trading at 300 rupees, right? What happens that there are only two ways for SBI. 300 का 301 हो सकता है या 299 हो सकता है, right? So suppose say I'm a scalper, and what I'm going to do is I'm executing a strategy saying that whenever the price of SBI it is moving from 300 to 299, right? It should buy one lot for me or one quantity of stock for me, right? So whenever the price comes down, right, it will buy again one quantity for me. So 300 पे buy किया, again 299 पे buy करेगा. Again if the price moves downwards, 298 हुआ, तो again it will buy for me, right? Again 1 रुपया down आता है, तो 297 पे भी buy करेगा. So I can give the condition that कितना लेवल तक नीचे बाय कर सकता है, हाउ मच डाउन आई कैन गो, राइट, कितना मैं नीचे जा सकता हूँ to basically to buy that particular stock. So suppose for up to 4 instance I should be able to go down and buy it, right? And see, this is largely when the script is not much of a volatile. वो क्या है, ये range में घूमती है. Whenever the scripts are moving in a range, this strategy is going to be very much useful. It is not for the script who moves in a unidirectional. It is like for ITC. ITC क्या एक particular range में घूमता ही रहता है. SBI, it always moves in a particular range. बराबर है. So for this kind of stocks, right, the scalping is going to be very much good for you, right? So suppose say 297 तक you have accumulated 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of SBI, right? After that, what you want to do is like अभी जैसे ही price बढ़े automatically sell होना चाहिए. I do not want to keep or do any kind of manual trading right now over here, right? So what I'm going to do is whenever the price comes to 298, right? So what it does is whatever I have bought last, which is LIFO, last in first out, which is a normal अपना maths में होता है ना, LIFO method था. So whatever I bought, what I have last 97, वो 98 को उड़ा देगा. तो 1 रुपए का प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे कर देगा. It will give 1 rupee profit. Now again the price moves up, right? Again the LIFO method. उसके पहले वाला कौन सा वाला मैंने बाय किया था लॉट 298 वाला. So 298 वाला वो 299 पे बेच देगा. Again a 1 rupee profit over here. Again what it does, it goes up. जैसे 300 रुपए आया, अगेन LIFO मेथड है, उसके पहले वाला कौन सा था 299, तो अगेन द 300 में वो बेच देगा. अगेन यू विल सेल इट ऑफ. अगेन द लास्ट वन, whenever the price will come to 301, the first lot what you buy at 300, it will sell it, right? So very simple है. अभी अल्गो तो ये तो बहुत ही कॉमन सा लॉजिक है. तो इसको हम सिर्फ we are just converting this logic into an algo strategy, right? So we are just trying to make it as simple as it can be, right? So this is scalping, right? So I will just show you in a practical way how it can be done, right? I will just take it again to the system now.
So before we move ahead, I have a small activity for all our attendees.
Yeah, okay.
I will be posting a poll question and I would want to see how many of you all can guess the right answer. So I'll be posting a question right now. Everybody please answer the right question.
Sure.
The question has been posted.
I think 100% answer. Everybody has 23 out of 23 participants have given the answers. So yes, I think most of them has given the right answer. It's automated trading. And you can see that out of 23, 10 have given the answer, which is right. Yes, algorithm is the name, but yeah, okay. All of this. So yeah, I think we have got the answers. So hello, you want to continue?
Yes, sir. We can move ahead now? I've ended the session.
Okay, fine. So again, moving forward, so we'll go to the scalping strategy. So what the scalping the do is like you can just click over here. Again, I said you have to just click on the strategy. There is a button of plus over here, right? So again, what I'm going to do is just take any of the stock which I think which is moving in a range bound. So I've just select the exchange. So suppose I want to go for a cash, or I want to go for an FO. So let's say I will do for futures. I can go for a lot of SBI, which is more of a scalping kind of a stock. I will take for the June expiry, right? I can again take the same thing. I can decide at up to what time I want to start and up to what time I want to end. So start time and time is important. Do I want to carry forward this strategy? So you can choose same normal MIS. I can just say client code. Yes, again, you want to do on a buy side or a sell side. So right, you have to just select buy right now, right? So I can just see the start price is 461 rupees. Currently, the 461 is the price of SBI. So I can say 462. I want to start buying at 462. Trailing price. So you want to trail the price or not? Okay, I will take this on later on. So how many lots you want to buy? So as I said, how many lots you want to buy at a D, right? So आपको कितना lot आपको नीचे आए, if it's going down, how many lots you want to buy? So suppose say 4 lots, as I showed you the example, we'll go the same way. Entry difference वन 1 रुपए, अगर नीचे आए तो buy करना है, तो okay fine. तो 1 रुपए मुझे buy करना है entry difference पे. Exit difference आप 2 रुपए का भी रख सकते हैं, या 1 रुपया जो मैंने एग्जांपल में बताया था. The same entry exit difference you can put it over here. मैक्स ओपन लॉट माने एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कितने लॉट्स ओपन होने चाहिए, क्योंकि एक बार वो 4 लॉट उसने बाय कर लिए, ठीक है, तो उसके बाद मैक्सिमम कितने और ओपन करना चाहते हैं आप, तो आप उसको अगर सेम अगर 4 रखना चाहते हो 4 ही लग सकते हैं. लॉस, हाँ राइट. तो इसके अगर समझ लो कि स्क्रिप्ट जो आप समझ लो कि 296 मैंने जो बताया था एग्जांपल, अगर 296 के नीचे चली जाती है, इफ इट इज गोइंग बिलो 296, right, and if you want to say that okay I do not want to basically incur the loss at certain amount of, I mean एक amount आप decide कर सकते हो, अगर suppose 20,000, so no more than 20,000 loss I want to incur, so I can just put a loss amount over here. So what will happen, the strategy will stop once the loss is hitting at 20,000 rupees, right? So this is a protection what we are giving you right now. So if the price is drastically moving down, right? So here you can basically put up the loss amount as 20,000 over here right now as well, right? And I can just load this instance. Okay, you want to trade? Yeah, I can say yes right now. And okay, so the strategy is ready right now. I can just see it is red. So red means it is not started yet now. If you want to start, you have to just do one thing, just put the play button. I've just put the play button. You can see the trade has happened over here. It has filled. You can see the strategy has started. So what if it the current price is 462 right now? What the price is? I've just you can see that I have got the trade, right? So we have to wait for certain minutes. Like if the price is moving downwards, so it is accumulating, or if it is moving upwards, it will start selling the basically start selling the stock, right? So it is very simple. I mean, you can see that you can do the scalping as well. So uh, uh, scalping can be also done in a range bound market as well. So if you want to just only do at a 1 rupee difference as well, so which is one more example. If you want to, I want to show it to you. So that can also be done in a similar manner. So this is one more example. I will have to show it to you. So here. So what you can do is like you can also do a scalping at every 1 rupee low and 1 rupee up, 1 rupee low, 1 rupee up, 1 rupee low, 1 rupee up, or 2 rupees down, 2 rupees up, 2 rupees down, 2 rupees up, 2 rupees down, 2 rupees up, right? So this is also one more way of doing scalping, right? So you have to just put only the entry difference as 2 rupees and exit difference as also 2 rupees. So whenever the price comes 2 rupees down, it will buy. Again 2 rupees up, it will sell. 2 rupees down, buy. 2 rupees up, it will sell, right? So that is also one way of doing it. So this is also useful when the market is running sideways, right? There is no much of a movement, but still you want to make some kind of kind of profit into the sideways market. In those type of market, this type of strategies are being useful, right? So this is also one way of basically doing the scalping. I think this is also, I think you should be able to understand. It is very simple. We will go to one more again strategy, right? So the next strategy what I'm going to show you is trend trader. So trend trader, I will just show you the logic first. You are able to see the PPT, right? Hello?
No, sir, we're not able to see any PPT.
You're not able to see the PPT? And please let me know, because sometimes what happens, I'm just changing the screen. And now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, thanks. So you can see the trend trader. So trend trader is largely used for a trending script. So whenever the market is moving in a unidirectional, I mean, there is a good amount of buying is happening or good amount of selling is happening. At that part of that, at those type of stock, you should use this type of strategy. I mean, today's example, let's say today's example, I mean, most of the stocks were moving downwards itself, right? So you can use a reverse logic. So this is a sell trend trader. So what happens, like suppose आप देखोगे कि आपने एक बैंक निफ्टी का पुट है, तो बैंक निफ्टी का पुट आपने 300 रुपए पे आपने एक देखा, तो I mean you can do I mean you can see that okay, जैसे ही 300 रुपए आता है, सॉरी आता है, तो वो आपने वो सेल कर दिया और 299 पे और एक सेल और एक सेल और एक सेल और एक सेल, सॉरी कॉल, ये उल्टा कॉल में कर सकते हो. आई थिंक यू कैन डू इट फॉर द कॉल or even for the future as well. So what happens over here is like whenever the price moves downwards, so it keeps on short selling. So whenever the price moves 1 rupee down from 300 to 299, again you can sell it. Again 298 पे भी short sell करेगा, again 297 पे भी short sell करेगा, again 296 पे भी short sell करेगा. It will keep on shorting each and every time the stock moves downward, right? But what it does is like you can also put a stop loss order. So what happens, जैसे आपने 300 पे आपने कुछ भी आपने stop loss order डाला हुआ है, 301 आता है, तो वो ट्रिक आपको stop loss आपका जो है वो हिट कर देगा. 301 पे आपको एग्जिट कर सकता है, राइट? अगर समझ लो कि आपने 299 पे भी आपने एक शॉर्ट कर दिया, तो ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप लॉस आपका रिवर्स होके 300 हो जाएगा. सो आपने जो 300 पे आपने जो सेल किया है, व्हाटएवर यू सोल्ड एट 300, right, and whatever you have sold at 299, both will get exited at 300, right? Again, someone look, it is moving still down, so 300, 299 and 298, all the three stop loss, तीनों का stop loss एक common पे आ जाएगा 299. So here still you will make a profit. So whatever you have sold at 300 and 299, both at both the price you will get a profit, right? Again, I mean, up to what level you want to go, you can define it. As I said, you can define the levels, right? You can up to go to the 5th level as well. So here, whatever the profit you are going to make it is at keeping a stop loss order, and all the 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 1, 2, 3, 4 तीनों जो आपने ऑर्डर जो आपके जो शॉर्ट सेल हुए हैं वो आपके 298 पे एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएंगे. सो द फर्स्ट 301, 300, 299, वो तीनों में आपको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. और उसके जो पहले जो 3 वाले आपने जो शॉर्ट किए हुए वो तीनों आपके ऑर्डर में आपको यू विल गेट अ प्रॉफिट ओवर हियर, राइट? सो it is very simple. I will just show it in the execution part and in a live environment. Just a moment. Here is a trend trader, right? Again, you can put the plus screen over here, right? Now you can see that you can select the exchange. Suppose I'm just selecting a cash script. I mean, I'm selecting, suppose Infosys. Infosys is a good trend trading script. I mean, it is a good unidirectional way of trading, mostly positive, largely positive. Right now, the IT sectors are okay, but mostly it is positive. So currently it is 1484. So suppose say 1484 is my entry price. 1485 I will put it, maybe a rupee up, right? I can say one lot I want to buy, or say every increase I want to, I mean, say one lot, entry difference every 1 rupee up I want to buy it. Stop loss I want to put it say 2 rupees, right? How many rounds, so how many upward direction you want to go? So suppose say 4 times, right? तो 4 बार up पड़ जाएगा तो ये buy करता रहेगा, right? You can even say you can put up a stop limit or a limit over here, right? So you can say stop limit, you can put it over here, right? You can even do a multiplier. Lot multiplier is what it does is, like, it is very easy. Whenever the script moves upwards, it will multiply the lot. If you are, because here you only say entry lot is 1, but if you say multiplier is 2, so what it will do is it will buy 2 lots. If the price moves up, it will buy 1 plus 2 lots. So it is, so total 3 lots you will get it. So entry वाला lot तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, उसके बाद जो second upward movement है उसमें 2 lot buy कर लेगा वो, right? And you can have a higher limit percentage. So that is something I will explain you later on, right? And you have to load the instance. बराबर है? You load it and you have to start it, right? So the instance has started, right? You can see, I think the price might have changed. So it will automatically, the trade will get executed, and every upward movements it will keep on buying, and whenever there is a downward movement of 2 rupees, it will do the stop loss. जो हमने 2 रुपए का stop loss डाला था, that will automatically get executed, right? So this is the simple logic of trend trader. So I think it is very, very simple way. I've just tried to explain it to you. I think hope you are able to understand. If there is any doubt, we'll surely take into Q&A sessions. So I will just move a bit ahead, right? And I will just explain you one more strategy today as well. So which is the last strategy, which is the candlestick breakout, right? I'm sharing a screen. So I hope you are able to see the screen now.
Yes.
So yes. Yeah. Okay. So this is the candlestick. So everybody know what the candle is, right? I mean, I don't need to explain much on the candle part, right? So whenever the morning first candle happens, like 9:15. So what happens is, like, first candle is very important. It basically decide the trend of the script, right? नीचे खुलता है यार ऊपर खुलता है market, right? Nifty है, even कोई stock है, anything, right? So what you can do is, like, after 9:15, 15 minute के बाद, whatever the candle is going to happen, I want to basically trade according on basis of that, right? So you know that on top is the high. जो top वाला candle जो एकदम ऊपर वाला part होता है वो high रहता है. The bottom part is low. In between it is like your close price and open price, right? इसमें open ऊपर भी हो सकता है या नीचे भी हो सकता है. यहाँ भी close हो सकता है, यहाँ भी close हो सकता है. बराबर है? There are no options, right? But candle breakout is very simple. What it happens is ये 100 रुपये का candle है, right? Open, ठीक है. अभी 100, whenever the price of the particular stock, right, it crosses 102. Abhi the candle of 9:15 has made a high of 102. So whenever the next candle which is of 9:30, right? So when the next candle is forming, is it going to be forming below 98 or above 102? There are only two possibilities. If it is forming above 102 rupees, it will buy. If the second candle is forming below 98 rupees, it will automatically sell. So it will decide on the next formation of the candle. So that's as simple as it is, right? So nothing to understand, much to understand. जो कैंडल दूसरा वाला खुलेगा 9:30 को, वो हाई वाला कैंडल है 9:15 का, उससे ऊपर खुल रहा है या नीचे खुल रहा है, दोनों में से एक ही साइड खुलेगा, बराबर है. So that is the only strategy you have to utilize it over here right now, right? So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you the logic into my algo system, right? So that you can even automate as well. So I will show you on the live example or live screen, right? Again, I'm just sharing the live screen, and this is the just a minute. And breakout, candle breakout. Again, plus button, you have to just put it over here. Now I think everybody should be able to understand. Plus button say load that. Say NSEFO, just say very simple thing, Nifty future, say Nifty. Okay, expiry candle. Here you can put whatever the minute candle you want to put it, right? You can even use 5 minutes. I've just taken an example of 15 minutes, but you can even use a 5-minute candle. Somebody wants to use 30 minutes candle. Somebody want to use 2 minutes candle, whatever. I mean, just say, go for the as per the example. 15 minutes candle I'm taking it right now. कितने बजे तक चलना चाहिए ये process? So I can again say again same. 3:15 तक I can put it, but I'm just right now at higher time, so I am just putting 20. ठीक है? 8:30 का quantity. हाँ, quantity you can put it. एक lot buy करना है, 2 lot buy करना है. So whenever the candle breaks, do you want to buy 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot, 5 lot, whatever time? So I will just say 2 lot. I mean, just 2 lot buy कर ले. Profit. So whatever the candle opens, I mean, someone लोग 102 के ऊपर गया, 103 में आया, तो buy कर लिया 2 quantity, बराबर है. Now you can put a profit over here. So once once the trade has been executed, and after execution of the trade, if the profit is 5,000 rupees, I want to exit. I'm just giving an example. Agar wo profit 5,000 is much more. Say 3,000 is a profit, I want to exit. And suppose by mistake if candle ऊपर तो ओपन हो गई पर फिर से नीचे आ गई, जस्ट इन केस ऐसा हो सकता है, then 1000 का लॉस हो सकता है, तो मैं बेयर कर सकता हूँ 1000 रुपया का लॉस हो गया मेरा. कैंडल ऊपर तो खुल गई, 103 तो खुल गई, फिर नीचे आ गई, तो क्या करेंगे? सो आई वांट टू पुट से 1000 रुपीज एज अ लॉस. सो 1000 रुपीज एज लॉस होता है तो मैं इट्स फाइन. एंड max loss how much I want to bear is fine. I can say again say 1000 rupees. I can put it over here, right? So you can put it the option of re-entry as well. अगर आपको फिर से उसको re-entry करवाना है, again अगर वो प्राइस पे अगर ओपन होती है या क्लोज होती है, नीचे ब्रेक होती है, तो re-entry अगर लूप में just you want to keep it in loop, so you can put re-entry over here as true and just submit it. So the instance is ready. आप यहाँ पे देख भी सकते हो, मैंने ओके कर दिया, ग्रीन कर दिया, एंड द यू कैन सी 1485 आई गॉट द ट्रेड, राइट? मेरा ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट हो गया. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेनेवर द ट्रेड the next candle is forming, it is above or below. अगर above candle खुलता है then it will buy. अगर नीचे खुलता है candle लो पे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली सेल कर लेगा, right? So as simple as that. So it is very simple to understand, and now I think I will just try to make it as simple as for you to understand. So these are the major 4, I can say 5 strategies I have explained today. Multi-leg, scalping, trend trader, candle break. So now surely you might be having questions on certain strategies, or you might be having some queries. So I'm open for that, and you can ask me now.
I request all attendees to post their questions in the chat box, please.
Are these algo strategies buy or sell? Entry strategies making full-time based? Sorry, I didn't get it. Those strategies or buy or sell entry strategies. Okay, I didn't get your question, Bhavinji. Hello. So this is a cloud base. We have a completely, I think because he has put the question, this is a cloud-based strategy. And what it does is once you run the strategy, it will go to the server and it will keep on running on the server. So even if your internet is down or anything happened to your PC, there won't be any much of an impact. So it will keep on running over there. And if there is any major concern with your internet, you can even call the dealer at Bigul, and they will basically help you to basically settle the strategy as well. Please advise multi-strategy again. Yeah, sure. What we can do is I can share the one more. There is a detailed video so multi-leg strategy to you. I can share it to you. So where it has been explained in detail, because explaining the whole strategy again, it may take again a good amount of time, 15 minutes time. But surely we can work for again 2-3 seminars are going to be there. Again, I'm going to present this the same strategy to another round of group of people, so where you can link it. And there is a one more, there are videos, readily videos also been made, so I can share it to the Bugle team and you can get it from them. Can I make my own strategy? Yes, completely yes. If you have your own strategy, you can just write it down on the on a word file, right, and give it to us. We can customize the strategy for you. We can give it to you as per the requirement, and that is completely doable. We have designed more than around 600 to 650 strategies for various different clients, and we can completely customize them. We are new to trading. Yeah, we can understand. So I mean, there is nothing new or old to trading. I mean, you can just understand the logic. So it is very simple. I mean, algo is just an extension of your normal trading, what you are doing right now. So whatever the trades you are doing manually, you are just trying to make it simple and automated with the help of a system. As I said, if you are very new to the algo trading, you can start with candle breakout strategy or with the scalping. Both the strategies are very simple to use. You can try it out, and you can just start with a minimum fund of 50,000. You can learn it very easily. So that is there. Okay, which is the best strategy, or okay, it is the best strategy or for position trading. I mean, there are so many strategies, I would say. I mean, there is not only one. But yes, you can definitely go for straggle or strangle, which is a very simple for any kind of position. I mean, whatever the way the market goes, right? You are on the both the safe side. So what I mean, you can just do a small little bit of Google on the website as well, Praveen ji. So what it does is like आप दोनों तरफ के ले रहे हो, आप तेजी मंदी दोनों कर रहे हो. So what happens that whenever the one of the leg is getting powerful, the second leg you can exit. So suppose the market is going upward, so you can just exit from the put side and just keep your call gets going. So that can be a one way to do it. Or you can even try butterfly. Butterfly is very easy. Butterfly, you can use it in option trading. That is also one of the good strategy. You can do it for the position trading. So these two strategy, I can say you can try it if you are doing anything on the position trading. If there is something apart from that, I mean, another thing you are asking me, I mean, you can give me, I mean, again, ping me again. How can we decide which strategy to take? See, that's what I've said. There are various different stocks into the market. You have to basically identify how the stock basically reacts. So you can see this SBI, ITC, those kind of stocks are basically more of a sideways, or basically movement में चलते रहते हैं, right? So for those kind of stocks, you can use scalping. Those that strategy is very good for those kind of stock, right? Now, suppose if you are going for a Infosys, or suppose a Asian Paints, so over there you can use a trend trader, right? You can even use candle breakout strategy as well. Candle breakout is very simple. You don't need to basically have to basically decide, अरे कौन सा strategy use करो. एक कैंडल होती है, या ऊपर खुलती है और नीचे खुलती है. So if the trend is upwards, it will automatically buy for you, and if and basically take the decision automatically. So all the strategies are good, but you have to basically find out which stock is good for which strategy. You have to just basically identify that ये stock में कौन सी strategy अच्छी रहेगी, ये particular stock में कौन सा वाला strategy is good for you, right? So this is how you can basically work out. You can try it out with some of the stocks. एक आप टेस्टिंग भी कर सकते हैं एक बार चालू करके एक थोड़ा सा फंड लेके. So that is good. What is charges for that making a strategy, monthly charges? Because we can discuss on this. You can send it to your the strategy document to the Bigul team. We can surely work out on the costing part. Yes, not much, but yes, we can customize it for you. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, काफी सारी जगह पे आप डाल सकते हैं. विकास जी, I want strategy for intraday option selling, theta DK with target and stop loss both. What I have to do? That can be done. Yes, this is possible. आपने जो strategy डाला है, that is doable. आप जो बता रहे हो, that can be customizable. आप मुझे बस logic एक बार डाल दीजिए एक बार, and we can customize that for you. Is there any paper trading or demo trading before actual money? Paper trading, I think we have to see. I mean, if we can provide it to you, I have to check with the Bigul team first. Currently, I cannot say yes or no, but yes, if that is a requirement, we have to just check it out with the team, and we'll get back to you on this. Praveen ji. So, any further questions? Yes, back testing for the multi-leg options available. Back testing currently in this system, I don't think so, sir. We have any options, but there are certain websites I can recommend to you where you can do that, where you can check it out. I think you can try it for if you want. You can go to TradeTron. TradeTron is one of the websites. You can check it out. They help in back testing as well. So they have those capabilities of testing the strategies. You can work it out over there. Tradetron.com.
All the attendees, whatever questions you all have regarding the trading platform or how to trade and how to go about it, you can go to our website and call our customer support manager, and they will help you with the same. And also a feedback form will be given to you all. You can put your queries in that form as well. You will get a call from our customer support team, so need not worry. This video is accessible to everybody on YouTube. We will be posting it on YouTube. And if you have any further queries, you can call our customer support team and we will get in touch with you. Any more queries from anybody? Or can we end the session?
So do you, okay, I think Praveen has one last question. I think, do you guys guide making strategies? I mean, yes, I mean, we have the developers, we can even help you out. I mean, so charges, as I said, I think we can surely work out as ma'am said, you can call up the customer care team. I think you just have to just put up your request for the custom strategy, and the rest of the cost part we can basically give it to you. So that's not a challenge. Neeraj G. Okay, my name is Malav. Okay, so it's TradeTron. TradeTron is the website name for backtesting. TradeTron. TRADET. TradeTron. Yes, right. So yeah. So any more further questions?
Mr. Vikas, our customer relationship manager will get back to you on these and everybody else for their queries. Okay, so I think we have now come to an end of the session. I would like to thank Mr. Malav for his time and sharing his knowledge and expertise in algo trading with all of us here. I hope all your attendees enjoyed this session and could learn as much as you could from Malav sir. And please fill the feedback form and do let us know your suggestions or topics that you would like to learn in the future. And we will come back with the same. Thank you all for your patience. And I'll be ending the session now. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.